I'm Frank Lauyans, founder and inventor of AnchorHog, a security anchor. The easiest thing is to create the anchor where your equipment is located. It's only secure when you put a padlock in one of the 3 holes and attach your cable and then attach that to your valuable property. I have always been in the engineering and manufacturing field, and so I started a business about 35 years ago and got into designing specialized equipment. At the end of 2020, I sold that business. Now, since the one company is sold, I'm full-time working towards AnchorHog. Lowe's has always been, I say, my second home. If you ask my wife, she would say it's definitely my second home on Sunday. I don't need anything, but I normally end up buying something. To be able to connect with so many stores and a very large corporation like Lowe's, it just means a lot. It gives me credibility. Age is not important to me. Health is everything, because without your mind and your body, it's hard to accomplish very much, I am a doer, so I kind of like to experience it first before I pass it on. AnchorHog is another venture, and we'll see how many more there are after that.